In this lecture, we will see Windows application with C Sharp. The Windows application is a project which is used to create applications that are installed and run on Microsoft Windows. This is a traditional type of application that has existed on Microsoft Windows for number of years. These types of projects generally contain a user interface similar to other Microsoft Windows applications. Usually it contains common user interface features such as menus, toolbars, buttons, and so on. To create a window application, open a Visual Studio and from it select a new project, select Windows Form application, name the project and specify the desired location, that is where you want to save the project. Now we'll see about the Windows Form project. The development environment contains three main windows. First is main window, then Solution Explorer window and Property window. If any of these windows are missing, you can restore the default window by selecting the option Window and from it select the Reset Window Layout option. The main window will do most of your work such as working with forms, editing with codes, etc. This window shows a form in the form editor. The Solution Explorer window used to view and navigate all items in your solutions, that is all the forms or modules or class file that you have inserted in your project. And Property window shows the change of the properties of items that you choose in other window. To create a Windows application project, I will open a Visual Studio. From here, I will use create a new project. From here, I will select Windows Form application. Windows Form application with .NET framework. Then next, I will give the name Post Window application. I will select the location where I want to save this. I will create a new folder here. First window application. And I will here create. This is your form, that is Windows application. These are the different windows. First, this is a Solution Explorer. This is your project name, first Windows application, and this is the form 1 which we have added. Then this is the property window which shows the object that you have selected, which shows the properties for the object that you have selected. Now we have this form 1, so the different properties of forms are displayed here. Then this is a toolbox in which different controls that you are going to use in Windows applications are present, which you can drag and drop onto the form to design your project. This is your designer window, and if I double click here, this is your coding window in which you can write a code.